I am Jonathan. I am from Argentina, and I am an electronics engineering student, and I completed the course of design verification engineering.
Yeah, Jonathan, I just want to say that during the introduction, like you first have to say your name and from yes, you said that you are from Argentina, yeah, right? And then
Yes,
you have to say that what you have done, like electronics and communication engineering, okay? But in the previous session, you have not said anything, right? In the
yes.
previous mock interview. So yes, there is an improvement, but not like much. So now you have to say that which languages you have done.
I learned
And
Verilog and
yes, and
System Verilog.
which are your like best languages, like which are your, yes,
Well, I learned Verilog and System Verilog,
which
and
languages you know
also
the best. So that's the main point.
I
Okay.
I know the best Verilog. I know the best, and also System Verilog. I know.
Yeah. So in introduction, please include this also. Which languages? Like if you know the UVM, you have to say that yes, I know the Verilog, system Verilog, UVM, and you have to specify. Okay. So just I want to point out this.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So you know system Verilog, Verilog, and
UVM, and
okay,
also
and any other
Perl as a scripting language.
scripting language. Okay, which one?
Perl, Perl language.
Which one?
Perl.
Can you like pronounce it?
Perl.
Okay, okay, Pearl. Okay, Pearl.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, Pearl. Okay, fine. So, from where you have learned the Pearl language?
I learned from the course. I One of the modules was about Perl, and I learned.
Okay, okay, fine. So now let's start the interview. Do you know the meaning of clock?
Yes,
Can you
yes. The
describe it?
clock. Yes, the clock is generates sequences of pulses uh, in a synchronous manner, and with that pulses, we can start we can synchronize a module. We can synchronize different modules that use the clock. So and we can configure if we want to use the post edge of the clock, the next edge of the clock,
Hmm.
or we can also use the one and zeros of the clocks, the high and the lows.
Okay, okay, fine. So, for how many ways we can generate a clock in Verilog? Do you know that?
We,
I've
we can generate, yes,
okay.
with a forever block.
Um,
That is one
can
way.
you share your screen and like show me that how we can generate the clock in different ways?
Yes, I I can use
Yes, I can see your screen.
forever, for example. and I can have and with a time like 5 seconds, and I have to declare the clock. This is one way, and also I can do it with an initial.
Okay. But can we write the forever block like this only?
I can add a begin and end.
Don't we have to write? Okay, can you run the code, this code? First run using only forever. You have written, I think, to end. So there is a
Yes.
syntax
Oh,
error.
yes.
Yes.
Sorry. Oh,
Yes. Yeah. So I want to know that does all the initial and always block run sequentially? If I have multiple
uh,
initial and always block, then they will run simultaneously or sequentially.
they will run simultaneously at the same time.
And the zero simulation time, right?
Yes.
Okay. And can we like nest them?
Yes.
So can we write you are saying that we can do nesting of procedural
Yes.
blocks.
Yes. They. No. No. I mean, can't be nested. But if I have in two separated, I can.
Yes, yes.
No.
Okay.
They can't. They can't be nested.
So why you have used the bit clock? Why you have not used the reg?
Oh. Okay. I use bit because it's only 0 and 1, but I can use a reg because I need to keep the state. Yes.
We are not getting any output. Why? It's taking the default value.
Yes.
So can we
Yes.
initialize the wire?
Yes. When I initialize
Like
the variable, it
when
works.
I'm defining the clock wire. Suppose in other situation, I just declared wire A. Then can I like initialize there only?
No, because the variable doesn't it doesn't save the value.
Yes, correct. So we can initialize and define in one statement only for reg, but not for wire, right? Yes.
Yes, it's only for reg.
And so so yeah, we are getting the output. Now it's correct. So why we have not used the bit clock?
Mm, because I need to save the value of 0
Yeah.
because I need to
Okay.
initialize it
Can you like
to
just write bit instead of reg? We are getting the output all.
oh the difference is because in the test bench I need to use this to move to the DOT. So to be able to move from the test bench to the DOT, I need to use the reg.
Means I want to know what
So
is why the bit also working.
because both saves the value of 0, but the difference is with bit, with the reg variable, I am able to move to the DOT. When I have a DOT here, I can move the clock to the DOT. Like
So
if I have
you
a
are saying
DOT,
that bit is similar as reg. You are saying that only, yes?
yes, it's similar, but with reg I can use to move this to the DOT. Like if I have a DOT, I can send the value to the DOT with the reg.
Why you have written the dollar duty there? Oh. If you have to, you are instantiating, right? So you have to use
Yes.
dot, and you have to write the same. No, not there.
Uh,
First we write the module name same as the duty. Then we write our UUT. Yes. Then we write the dot, then the same
Yes, yes.
component of duty, and then the test bench component. No, no, not like this. Yes, now the correct, it's correct in, but you have to write it in initial block. Okay, before the initial. You can write initial also.
I think initially for oh yes, yes.
Why you have used the end? You have not used the begin, right? No, that's not required as there is only one statement. For more than one statement, we write the begin end.
Yes.
You don't have to use the for begin inside forever. We have used after initial, right?
Yes, yes, it's working.
Okay, so what you want to say that if I use reg, then
I can send to the data to the DoD, and with bit I can do the same. So it works the same.
okay. So what's the difference between the bit and reg?
There is no difference. I thought that there were a difference, but no, there is no difference.
Oh, so can the bit hold the X or Z values
No, because bit is only for 0 and 1.
and reg?
Oh, yes, regs or with
So that's the only difference, I think, right?
yes. It's a 4 states variable.
Hmm. So yeah, you have made a clock using forever block for now. How I can like generate for other methods?
Can use always.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes. You are
Yeah.
audible.
Okay. Okay.
I can use always instead of forever, or I can use also assign. I
Assign.
can use
How we
assign.
can. Can we drive a reg value inside assign statement?
No, it's only for bits. No, it doesn't work. No, it's only with the initial and always.
Do you know about the repeat statement?
I couldn't hear you.
Hello?
Yes, yes. What was the question?
I do you know about the repeat statement? Repeat block?
Oh, yeah, repeat. Repeat. Yes, I can repeat like 10 times. And yes, this is another way to do it.
Can we okay, so there is some error. You have written the initial block first and then
Yes, this is another method.
you have done coding in EDA playground only.
Yes, I also used Gesta, software
Questa Sim.
Questa Sim and Vivado.
Oh, okay. You know how to use Vivado.
Yes, I have standard. Oh,
So what is
this.
the meaning of okay.
Oh, sorry, I closed it.
Okay. You can share it again.
Yes. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So I can generate the files.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, can you like simulate it, the code in it?
Yes, I copy the code.
So like why we use the star inside the sensitivity list in always block?
Because it will execute. It will run in any change, any variable. If I have like 10 variables like A, B, C, D, any
Okay.
variable that change, it will execute. It will run the
In
code
left,
inside.
any variable change in left hand side also, or right hand side only? Right. I mean by right hand side, like if I write y is equal to a and b, then the left hand side will be y and right hand side will be a and b, right?
Yes, yes, that
So
in both.
both. Okay.
I have the simulation.
Yes. Now I can see.
It runs 5.
So can we also write using the while loop?
Yes, I can use
So there can be
while
four
loop.
ways, right?
Yes.
अभी तो बच्चा है। हम्म। हम्म। नहीं वो
No, it will be 0. 0. No, set. X. Because the wire doesn't save the values.
but we can assign the values, right?
Yes,
So I am assigning the
but
value in initial begin.
yes, but one cycle after, display will be one cycle after. So I think the
Okay, tell me, suppose I have not written the one delay, then what will be the answer?
it should be one if
Okay,
without
so
delay,
how, like,
because
you,
when I sorry,
because,
because I think if the wire is assigned in the same time, it's like it will be one because it will be at the same clock. But if I
yeah,
wait
so,
more time, the data will be lost.
yeah, so what will be the output?
Without a delay, it will be one.
Without
If there were no
what? I'm not able to understand what you're saying that, but without what?
without a delay, like this, without a delay, it will be one.
Delay. Without delay, it will be, and with delay, it will be
Uh, Set because it will be high impedance because the the data will be lost in the wire.
so the answer will be X in both the cases,
Yes.
with one delay and without one delay. The in the both cases, I will get the X answer.
Okay.
You can, you can check. You can run the. You can copy my code and you can run. You have started the comment two times. You can create a new text,
Yes.
or you can do it simply in EDA also, or any other online compiler.
Yes. The output is X.
What are you saying?
Yes. The output is X. I check it.
Yes. Okay. So can you explain me that why it is giving me X? As the default value of wire is Z, right? So why it's giving me the X value?
Because when if I assign to a wire, it will save both values. It's like it's uh,
Mm,
first
because the
first it
answer
will
is
be
like, okay. So
it will be A, but also it will be B. It's like both
it will confuse
variables.
and the unknown value will okay. So
Yes,
I uh, so this is the example of the multiple driver, right? I'm driving
yes,
multiple, yes, at the same time.
yes,
Okay. So when driving the multiple assign at the same time, so the calculator will confuse and it will give unknown value, right?
Sorry, I couldn't hear it, the last part.
I'm saying that when when we are driving the multiple nets at the same time, so
Yes,
I'm assigning the W both ends, right? So when I'm doing this, then we are assigning the same value, different values at the same variable, right? At this zero similar time, the assign
yes,
statement run parallelly, right? So it will
yes,
take the
but
x value and non value, 0 or 1.
yes. Oh, yes, because it also reg is not declared. Like these are X. I
What
declare.
do you mean by the and unpacked array? Do you know about the packed
Uh,
and packed? Hello, I'm audible.
uh, yes, yes, you are audible.
Saying that, what do you mean by the packed and unpacked array?
Pack array is when I have uh, when I have, for example, a reg.
Can you repeat? I'm not able to
Uh,
listen. If you are saying
Pack
something.
array. Oh, okay. Yes, pack array is when I have the array. For example, I have 0, 1, 2, 3. I have when
Okay.
I have in the same line. For example, this.
Okay, you mean that in the contiguous way.
Yes, but it's contiguous. And when I have the unpack array,
I can store them like in different locations.
I have this in it's not contiguous. It can be, but it can be also in different
Memory locations.
positions, memory locations, like
Yeah.
this.
Okay. And why we use logic in system Verilog?
Uh, Logic is like the bit. but it has a 0, 1, X, and Z. It's used in the interfaces because
Okay.
besides 0 and 1, it has X and Z, but it's similar to bit.
Okay. So can you answer like the what will be the output of this module?
It will be
Can you write it in the chat box?
yes.
Okay, that's correct. And for this question, what will be the output? Can you explain me?
Because if I save the value in the Q0, the value will be in the first part of the memory. So in the Q0 and the Q1 will be empty
But why?
because by default it doesn't have any variable, any data inside the Q1, so it will be X.
Okay, so that's the correct. But the Q1 is of like 4 bits, so it will give the answer in 4
Yes,
X.
it will
Yeah.
be.
Okay. Do you know about the STA, static timing
Yes, yes,
analysis?
static. Yes, yeah, ma'am. I know.
Okay. So what? is the use of the static time analysis?
The static time analysis is used to understand the timing of the RTL. So I can know if there are any violations, and also I can calculate the frequency of all
Um,
the sign.
okay, so what do you mean by the propagation delay?
Propagation delay is when I have one logic, and that logic has some delay, and when I and that delay affects the consecutive logic. Like if I have one flip-flop, the first flip-flop, if it has a delay, the second flip-flop, I will have the delay of the first flip-flop and the second flip-flop.
Okay. Have you done the UART project?
Yes,
Okay. So in static time analysis, what is the meaning of the skew rate?
the skew is the skew is the time if that is I think is the maximum time that I can have of delay for the data to arrive to the logic. I think it was the maximum time.
Okay. Okay. So are you able to like see my screen?
Mm,
Are you able to see my screen?
no, I. Oh yes, yes, I can see.
So what waveform I have to like get to so that this circuit will work properly in static time analysis? Suppose there is one flip-flop and the combination circuit is between the two flip-flop. So first flip-flop is the launch and the second is the capture. Okay. So what should be the waveform so that this circuit would work properly?
I think
Can you draw it?
yes. It will be a clock. Can you see?
Yes.
With
Yes.
the setup time and the hold time, because I need to consider the time that it took during the combinational logic to
Yeah.
arrive into
And why the
the
whole time is needed?
Mm, because it will be the second flip-flop is connected to the first flip-flop, so it will be continuously. Like it will be need some time to send an impulse to the first flip-flop again.
No, in general also, why we need the setup and hold time in generalized way also. Why we need the
Well,
setup and hold time?
the setup time is because the pulse clock is not perfect, so it will take some time to reach to the high level. And the whole time is I think it was
The answer is the whole time is
for
for the so that the data can be stable, right?
yes,
And before
yes,
reaching the clock also, we need the stable data, right? So the setup time.
yes,
Yeah. Okay. So can you like solve what is the difference between the contamination delay and propagation delay? Do you know?
I think contamination delay is is the delay of the that specific region, like from one part to another. And propagation delay is when it depends on previous logics.
You must in the next mock interview, I will again ask you this question. Till
Okay.
so you have to read about this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you have done the UART project, right?
Yes.
Do you know about the baud rate?
Yes. The baud rate is the time that I can is the frequency that will be connected from the master to the slave. It will be sent the data.
Okay.
Both of them will have the same baud rate to interchange data.
Okay. Right. Okay. So can you tell me the difference between the bit rate and baud rate?
I think baud rate is related to synchronizations between two components, and bit rate is I'm not sure, but I think baud rate is related with bytes, and bit rate is more mm,
So bit rates are the number of bits per second, right?
yes,
And baud rate will measure how many times the signal on the line changes state in 1 second. So each change of the signal is called a symbol, right? So in
yes,
digital communication, the signal can change between the high and low or more level, right? So when the
yes,
signal changes, right, 0 to 1, 2, and then 0, then 1, then 0. So there will be four changes for 4 bits, right?
yes,
So if it happens in the 1 second, then the baud rate will be 4 or 4 bps in UART, since 1 bit is per signal, per symbol. Have you
Yes.
understood like what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So I think you must read about this also.
Yes.
Okay. So can the multiple devices can communicate on one UART bus?
Mm, no, word is only one to one,
Okay, so it is point to point only.
point to point. Yes.
Yes. So how the error detection is done in the UART?
Error detection is done with parity. It has
Yeah.
a parity byte
Yes,
that
correct.
yeah.
Okay. So how many what are the application of the UART where we can use it in the real life?
What is for near devices like it was like 10 meters or less. It's like the RS 232 cable, for example, uses
Okay.
Word.
Okay. I think that's all for today, for the today's interview.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
So do you have any questions
No, thank you.
for me? So I think you must be read about the STA concepts and more of the output questions,
Yes.
so you can like increase your speed on it. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Thank
So
you.
um, so do you live alone or do you have the family in Argentina?
I have my family in Argentina. I live here.
Okay. 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 Fine. So in Argentina, like there is summer or there is no summer.
We are in winter, actually. Like,
So in summers, what will be the temperature there?
well, it's like 30 degrees, sometimes,
30.
sometimes 30 or sometimes more, sometimes like 35. But
Oh,
usually around 30, but it's like very warm
oh.
in summer.
I thought it remained 13 or 20 only.
No,
I
no,
thought,
in well,
okay.
it depends. It depends the part of Argentina. The south of Argentina is more cold. I am like in Buenos Aires.
Oh, so what you people like usually eat?
Well, we have like different meats, different foods. We have also a lot of Italian cuisine, like pizza, pasta, and
Oh,
so
okay. So at this time, it is a day or night?
it is day actually.
So, but what is time right now?
8 a.m.
8 a.m.
Yes.
Okay, so you have done the breakfast, right?
Yes,
Uh, okay. Okay, you have done the breakfast, right?
yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. So, how many people you live in the one house?
I live with my mom, just two people.
You and your mom.
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. So, do you and you don't have your father in your house?
No.
Okay. 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 Fine. So I think so. Do you, you don't have any questions for me, right?
No.
Okay. Okay. We are. I am ending the meet.
Okay.
Okay.
Happy Teacher's Day.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mm, in your time also there is a Teachers' Day right now.
No, it's Saturday. I don't remember when, but it's Saturday. The Teacher Days in Argentina.
Okay, so you have seen in the Google right now that in India there is a Teachers' Day right now.
Yes.
Oh,
In the WhatsApp channel, in the channel of VLSI for all, like
okay, okay,
they upload an image of how.
okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So you go to like college.
Yes,
You are in which year?
I am like in 4, 5, like
Fourth year.
between 4 and 5, because here is are 5 years degrees instead of 4.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So there is a semester system or like year-wise system.
It's semester.
Okay, okay, fine. So I can I end the meet right?
Yes,
Okay, okay. Thank you.
thank you. Bye.
We can have the mock interview next week also.
Okay,
Okay. So prepare well for that.
okay.
All the best.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.